We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We release the screws from the top of the device. Here we have the antenna. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.